Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find about complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda s, because if we want to do first the derivative of this one, we need to keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s, we got lambda. Later that we need to find second derivative of yc. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization, and we have like this. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So this one we have two solutions, but they have the same. That is about 2/3. And now we can find about yc in here. That is about c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to change lambda into 2/3. Because we have the same solution, so we have c number 2 s e to the power of 2/3s, and that is about yc. Now we go to particular solutions. So that should be about variation of parameter. So for this one, we see that we have number 9. So now we divide both sides by number 9. And now we have y number 1 equals to this one, y number 2 equals to this one, 3s. That is about this one. You need to make sure that the highest power in here, or sorry, highest order in here, that should be about number 1. So we can use about Wronskian. So we have w between y number 1 and y number 2. So we have the matrix. So that should be about y number 1, and then we need to do first the derivative of y number 1, y number 2, and we have first the derivative of y number 2. So y number 1 I will put in here. First the derivative of y number 1, we have 2 over 3e to the power of 2 over 3s. Y number 2, we have this one. So if we do first the derivative of y number 2, we need to do first the derivative of s multiplied by e to the power of 2 over 3s plus e to the power of 2 over 3s with first derivative multiplied by s, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So we simplify. Next, we have the second formula in here. We want to find determinant. So we have the matrix A, B, C, D in here. So A multiplied by D minus BC. So we can apply the formula in here. So this one multiplied by this one minus this one multiplied by this one. So if we simplify this one, we have e to the power of 4 over 3s. And now we apply the formula of particular solution. So we have yb equals to negative y number 1 multiplied by the integration y number 2, and we have 3s. Later that Wronskian I will put in the denominator plus y number 2, and we have the integration of y number 1 3s over the Wronskian ds. So y number 1, that is about this one, and this one. Y number 2, that is about this one, and this one. 3s, that is about this one. Wronskian, that is about this one. Now if we simplify, we just have 1 over 9 multiplied by s over the square root of 1 minus s squared. And the second one, we just have only 1 over 9 with number 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. And now if we calculate this integration, we have negative 1 over 9 with the square root of 1 minus s squared. This one we have 1 over 9 arcsine of s. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the final answer. So we have y equals to yc plus yb. Yc, that is about this one. And yb, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.